Hello beautiful people, my name is Chris Samuel and I'm so glad to have you on the Bible Freak. I couldn't wait to share with you because this that I'm about to share with you has transformed my life, saved me a lot of time and troubles in this life. So before I dive right in, let me share with you this Bible scripture. Proverbs chapter 13 verse 16 says, "A wise man plans ahead, a fool doesn't and even brags about it." A wise man plans ahead, a fool doesn't and even brags about it. Now I think we are ready to go. So one day Jesus was walking with his disciples and a great multitude of people were following him. So he turned around and said this to them. He said, "Suppose you're going to build a tower. Wouldn't you first sit down, make a plan and calculate the cost so that at the end of the day you don't fail in between the project and people will be mocking at you and say, 'Look at him, he started but he didn't finish.'" And I believe most of the people said yes because it's the wisest thing to do. Otherwise, you'd spend all the money and the building materials in vain and you would look like a fool at the end. Before us is what is greater than just building a tower. Over 360 days and opportunities to make a mark, to serve God and to serve men on this world. We have an opportunity to build a tower of actions and great works to God and to men. But if we don't have a plan, this is just a wish, because you never know what you did and what you did not. You never know the steps and the way that you are going towards the success of that which you want to do. One of the things I love in the Bible is how it depicts a life of a Christian. It is that person who runs but with an end in mind. He who boxes but not beating the air. He who doesn't live his life aimlessly. The Bible also delivers this hard truth found in Proverbs chapter 21 verse 5, which says, "The plans of the diligent leads to profit, as surely as haste leads to poverty." Brothers and sisters, the question is this: do you have a plan for 2020? And as you sit down thinking of how to write a plan, I ask you that you ask God to lead you as we do whatever you want to do so that He can calm down and go before you and make your way smooth. Because if you don't have God besides you, it's a battle. It's very hard, and it's very hard, my friend. Before I end this video, let me share with you one of my plans in this year. It is to give you the best Christian content, not to please your ears, but to help you in the renewal of your mind as Christians. So one of the ways that you can support me is by liking, sharing this, subscribing, and telling your friends what's taking place here on the Bible Freak. In the meantime, stay blessed, subscribe, and stay tuned. Bye bye.